Managing a single WooCommerce store is challenging enough, but managing 2, 3, or even 10 stores? Updating products manually, copying descriptions, and keeping inventory accurate across every site can quickly become overwhelming. That's where Shop Central comes in. In this video, I'll show you how to sync products and inventory across multiple WooCommerce stores using Shop Central. Let's get started. First, connect your stores. Head over to the Shop Central dashboard, open the Stores menu, and add your secondary WooCommerce sites. Next, enable Product and Inventory Sync. Under the Stores menu, open the Sync settings and turn on Auto Sync. Here's how it works. Shop Central uses SKU-based matching, so as long as products share the same SKU across your stores, they'll stay perfectly synchronized. Your primary store acts as the central hub for all your connected stores. Now watch this. When you update a product title, price, description, or images on your main store, Shop Central automatically pushes those changes to every connected store. No more copying product data manually. And Inventory Sync is even smarter. If a customer purchases a product from a secondary store, Shop Central instantly notifies the main store. The main store updates its stock level and automatically distributes the new quantity to every other connected store. That means accurate inventory across all your stores and no more overselling. Take control of your multi-store business with Shop Central and spend less time managing products and more time growing your business. Download Shop Central using the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more WooCommerce tutorials and tips.